How are you feeling at the moment?
Yeah, really empowered. Just going through all the different processes that you have to get someone to follow you in a situation they're uncomfortable with.
Are you looking for ways to take your career to the next level, but you're not sure how? Are you looking for new challenges and opportunities? Are you lacking a bit of clarity and confidence around your leadership style? Hi, I'm Janine Sudbury. I'm sometimes known as the Horse Whisperer, thanks to my unique experiential leadership program using horses. The results we've gained with our Pivot Women in Leadership program are astounding. Horses give you the most direct feedback you will ever receive on your leadership style, allowing you room to experiment and improve how you lead.
Yeah, so I would certainly recommend it. Yeah.
With Pivot, you'll gain the knowledge, confidence and connections that you need to take your leadership to the next level. What would somebody learn from doing this program?
I would say the best thing you learn is about yourself before you actually learn about leadership, because leadership actually starts with yourself. And I think leadership starts with me, from within. It's good to know.
Thank you so much, Tao. It's been a pleasure working with you.
Thank you.